Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to use stabilizer. Stabilizer is handy tools that smooth out your freehand lines, correcting shakes and making them smoother. So to activate these tools, you can click these hand icons and then you can click plus icons to move into one for stabilizer. The more hiker is the more smooth but slower. So I will set one as example. You can click it will be more fast like this, or you can set the stabilizer into tens, it more smooth but slower. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to use stabilizer. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.